Let's go over the latest facts now. Here's 3 things to know about the coronavirus in Florida. First, the state health department is reporting 2,539 new cases of COVID-19. That brings our total to 755,020 statewide since March. Second, another 50 Floridians have died from the coronavirus. That brings Florida's death toll to 15,967 residents and 201 non-residents since the pandemic began. And third, the percentage of tests coming back positive is back under 5% at 4.68% positive. The World Health Organization has repeatedly said the percent positivity rate should remain at 5% or lower for a 14-day span in order for further reopening to be recommended. Well, as we enter the flu season, public health experts are warning about a so-called twindemic of the flu and COVID-19. Since so many COVID symptoms are similar to the cold and flu, many of you may be wondering how to tell if your cough is just a cold or possibly the coronavirus. So let's take a deeper dive into what specific warning signs go with each illness. Our body's immune response to viruses causes symptoms like fever, chills, headaches, cough, and sore throat. The difference with COVID is the shortness of breath and change of taste or smell. Now, that only happens in some people infected with COVID. So when is it a good time to call your doctor? CBS medical contributor Dr. David August explains.
What these viruses do is they go into your lung and they cause inflammation. The lungs can get leaky and it can make it difficult to breathe. And that's what we worry about. That's why people need to go to the doctor or the hospital when they have difficulty breathing. And that classically means there's too much inflammation in the lung. And at that point, the doctor will do a rapid test and they can know whether the patient has flu, whether the patient has COVID-19 or something else like the common cold, and make a decision whether that patient needs oxygen or hospitalization or can be monitored at home.
Doctors recommend paying attention to your oxygen levels and getting a flu shot to prevent getting sick.